Hi friends, this is the Nifty analysis for 17th of February. So first we'll have a look what was the plan for the Friday, that is 14th of February, and what we did on that day or what we could have done. Okay, so based on this central pivot range, because for the Friday session we looked at the CPR that was developed on Thursday, okay, and it was very narrow, so we are expecting a trending day on Friday, but we didn't know to which side. So the plan was to wait for the first 15 minutes, okay, and based on that, if there is a breakout, we should go long, and if there is a breakdown from the first 15 minutes, we should go short. Okay, that was for the entire plan. The positional idea was to have the short position with 12 to 30 as the stop loss. So if you see, market gapped up around 12,190. It went till this 12,240 zone. It could not sustain there, and then we had a collapse. So I kept my short position open. Okay, now let's see what is the plan for Monday. So as always, we will see this daily chart. In the daily chart, now we in the candlestick we can see this bearish engulfing. Don't look at the name. Name is not that important. Basically, last candle, Friday's candle has taken over the whole body of Thursday, and this is black, so this is called bearish engulfing. And we had a dark cloud cover before that. So, and this 12 to 50 is the previous resistance zone. So seems like this 250 will not be that easy for the market to cross, and we might have a minor kind of short-term top over here for few days. Okay, and all the other moving averages are at the cluster with 12,050. So this is going to be critical. So from the chart we can say market looks bearish with 12 to 50. We should be short in the market, and the first target could be this 12,000, and also there we might expect some kind of bounce. So if there is stability there, we should buy, else we should still continue to hold our short position, and then eventually we might get this recent low also. So from chart it is clear, 12,250 as stop loss, go short or keep holding the short for a target of 12,000, and we'll see what happens there. If there is support at 12,000, go long. If it is broken, keep holding the stop with proper stop loss. Okay, now we'll go and see the option chain. What is happening in the option? So we'll go to the India.com. We'll go to the derivative watch, and then we'll go to the option chain for Nifty. So we can click Nifty from this most active contract, and then go to the option chain, whichever way you prefer. Basically we should go to this option chain, and we'll see where is the maximum call open interest, where is the maximum put open interest, and where is the build up for this current week. Okay, it is taking some time. Anyways, I have taken the data, so if there is delay, we'll directly go into the Excel sheet, but it is always better to have a look in the NSE website. Okay, okay, now we have got the data. Fine. So if you see, this leftmost column is the OI for the call, and this 33 lakh, right? This is the highest call is at 12,200. So this is going to be resistance for this weekly expiry. Similarly, the highest build up, this second column, 12 lakh, this is also at the 12,200. So 12,200 looks very clearly a resistance area. Similarly, on the put, we have the maximum open interest at this 18 lakh. This is 12,000. Okay, and the highest build up is also at the same place. So 12,000 on the downside, 12,200 on the upside is going to be critical. We can also have a look at monthly data to see what kind of indication we are getting from there. So if we go to 27 February, Data is loaded. So let's see where is the maximum open interest. This will be very wide because this is a monthly contract. From the start of the month, people would have built positions. So 36 lakh open interest. This is 12,500. Okay, and the addition, maximum call addition has happened at 12,200. So in monthly also 12,200 we have the highest build up. Similarly on the put side, the highest open interest is 49 lakh, which is 12,000. So 12,000 is going to be very critical, because on the monthly we have 50 lakh open interest standing there. On the weekly also the maximum there, maximum addition is also there on the weekly contract. And let's see where is the maximum addition on this monthly contract. So monthly contract, there is not much addition actually. This could be this level, we can take 11,950, or yeah, this is the okay level. This is 2 lakh only, 2.3 lakh or something, 12,050. Okay, so there is not much put writing on the monthly contract. Obviously market was volatile and it was showing downward momentum. Now we look at other data. Now we saw that call and put build up. Before that, once more we should see this 10 period moving average 12,113. Okay, and this is like the traffic signal. Exactly, market has closed over there. So this, from this point, if there is support, we can expect the short-term momentum to be upward. If 12,100 is broken, we can expect the short-term trend will be down. Okay, now we'll look at the chart once again, and for the momentum, because only price is not enough, we should look at the momentum. How is the momentum? Okay, so for the momentum, we'll look at MACD. Pardon me for the internet speed, it is slow, it takes time to load. So okay, so momentum is now slowing down. If you see this histogram, it is slowing down. So momentum is slowing down, you can say, for the bulls, or increasing for the bears. Okay, so now maximum call open interest was at 12,200, the same place now. Till Thursday it was put open interest was at 12,100, that has come down, which is negative. Now build up is at the same place, 12,200, and writing has also come down. The maximum put build up has happened at 12,200. Okay, I think I have put one more zero over here. Okay, so let me rectify this. Okay, 12,200 is the maximum put build up. So now PCR has come down from 1.41 to 1.27, which is again negative. Okay, max pain is at the same place, so no indication from there. Okay, now VIX has increased from 13.3, so it seems like we had a short term low. That means now again volatility we are expecting, that means negative for the market. From 13.37 it has increased to 13.62. okay, so if you see from this 17.37 level, VIX was decreasing every day, it was decreasing mostly, yeah, every day. So if you see market level from 11,960, we came all the way till 12,113. Before that we also had this 12,200. So on the VIX we seems to have made a short term kind of low, so we can expect some kind of volatility. Now FI data, FI in the cash market have again started selling 700 crores, which is negative. DI is 200, can't get anything from there. Index future 100 crore, nothing from there. Index option, we'll see what is that. Call put, stock future also 500 crore selling. So selling is there in the market mostly. Okay, now in future, previously they 106 contract short, now 103. So in the future they have reduced the short position FIs. Okay, in the index through option, what they have done, they were 84,000 contracts short, now 109 contracts short. So through option their short position has increased, but through index future they have decreased their position. Okay, now Nifty OI has reduced. Even the market has come down, there is no addition in that, which is good. That means there is no short build up, it is long unwinding. Okay, now we'll go again to the pivot point, central pivot range. This is a very critical on few days only. For example, on Thursday it was very all these three lines were nearby, so we're expecting a trending move on Friday. Now based on this Friday, because we have a very big day, now the CPR is coming wide, so tomorrow again we can expect a sideways kind of day where market might roll between S2 and R2. Okay, so S1 is coming at 12,054. Sorry, S1 is coming at 12,054, S2 at 11,994. Similarly, R1, R2 at 12,209 and 12,305. So for tomorrow, on the downside is 12,000, 10 points below that, that's 11,990 is going to be critical. Similarly, in the higher side, 12,250 is going to be critical. So what is the plan for tomorrow? If we have already short position, stop loss should be this 230 to 250 area. Okay, if we have a strong close above that, which looks very unlikely as of now, we never know. If there is a predictive close, we should exit. And for intraday or new position, idea should be, if you get a bounce, go short with stop loss at 250. Okay, and in case there is a downward movement till 12,000 and there we find some kind of support, then only we should look to buy. Okay, so that's all for tomorrow. Take care, trade well, and I'll see you again tomorrow with the data and chart for Tuesday. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.